We're going to start with the page 112. Calculate field values in the attribute table. We're going to right click on the new field and then we're going to calculate field. And it will bring the geoprocessing window again and then calculate field. And we're going to expand a little bit. So the calculate field tool opens in the geoprocessing pane. So you want the new field to show the percentage change between 2004 and 2010 because the percentage value already exists. Your calculation is a matter of simple subtraction. You use 2010 subtract from 2004. So in the calculate field tool, the input table option should already point to percent change. That for the field name, select Illinois County percent change. For field name, input, and we will do that. Field name, Illinois underscore county underscore percent change. Okay, and then under fields we're going to double click fields. We're going to double click percent 10, and then notice if you hover over a value, you can see the entire field name, or you can expand the geoprocessing pane so that the fields can easily eligible. So now I'm going to expand to the right hand side, and then we're going to minus obesity 2004. Did I do number? Oh, yeah, percent, and then percent 4. All right. So next we click the subtraction symbol, which is right here, subtract symbol, and then we click obesity prevalence and to that percent 2004. Notice the expression box fills in. And we just click run, and then we just have to wait here and wait for it. Let's see. Parameter is missing or invalid. Okay, let's redo it again. So, oh, the field name. Okay, so, and it's right here, percent change. Oh. Okay, and then I have to click it again, percent, 10%, subtract, percent 04, and click run, and we just wait for it. And run the tool and examine the new value in the table. And now it's complete successful, and it's rendering. And we're going to see what happened. Drag all the way to the right. And that's our percent change. And we're going to close the attribute table. So we're going to display the new field, and we're going to right click on it, and we're going to symbology. So for symbology, the field, we're going to change it into percent change, the new field, and then we're going to do is click the option symbol that advanced. So we're going to go to advanced and expand the format labels category, and then change the number of decimal places to 1. Just typing 1. Okay, and numerical decimal 1, and we're going to close it out. And percent change, and let's see, decimal to 1. Oh, decimals to 1, all right. Right click on it again, and symbology. And then change it into percent change. There. And now we're waiting for it. And now I'm going to change into 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just do blue color ramp. Alright. So now it looks a lot better. So we click the back black arrow to return to the main symbology pane. If you like, you change the color scheme, one of your choice. A ramp cell we did was from the light to dark colors will communicate increasing percentage change most clearly. Now we're going to close this and close this out. And then right click on it and then zoom to layer. Alright. And the percent change layer shows at a glance which county had the greatest increase between 2004 and 2010. These darker counties might be of particular interest to researchers and policymakers. The reason for the sudden changes should be investigated. Either their habit or exercises or financial issue, and we're going to calculate summary statistics. So on the analysis bar, and we have the summary statistics. So we have to go back. If we don't see here, it's right here. No. That's similar, not summary. Alright, summary. Okay. Summarize nearby, summarize, similar. We need summary statistics right here. The statistics. Alright, and then go through the tool gallery and we find the summary statistic and then we click it open. And it opened in the geoprocessing pane again. Alternatively, search for summary statistic in the geoprocessing pane. So for input table, we're going to select the percent change layer and percent change. And for output table, maintain the default name. So, and then the field that we're going to do, so we're going to choose a new one. For field, we're going to click the drop down menu and then go to the number for 2010. For obesity, for statistic type, we're going to do settings and do sum. And in the second box that appears, select obesity prevalence 10. And then this obesity prevalence 10. So it will be percent. And then we have, for statistic type, we're going to do mean. So the statistic that ArcGIS Pro generates will tell you the total number of obesity cases in Illinois in 2010 as well as the per county average. You can also choose to calculate the same statistics for the other years presented in your project. So we're going to leave the optional case field parameter blank and then run the tool. The output table is added to the bottom of the content panel, so then we're going to see when it's finished running. And now it says the field is empty, and we're going to fix what was wrong. Oh, right here. This one I shouldn't choose anything, and this one it should be me, and this one I just get rid of it. There. And then click run again, it should run, and now we have a new table and called Illinois County Statistic, and we're going to open it. Open and examine the table, open it when you're finished. You can now present numbers for the entire state. As for 2000, let me drag it out. As for 2010, Illinois had over 259,000 obesity cases. That averages to nearly 30% of the total population. So now we're going to examine the infographics on the map tab. We're going to activate the infographics tool and then click Alexandria County. going to close it out. Alexander County. That is the infographs. So go back to map, infographs. It's right here. Configure infographs. Oh, that's really cool. All right, then we're going to click select tool, Alexander. Is this Alexander? Go to attribute. Where did it go? Where, let's see what is here. All right, now this is Tammy. It's not. Oh, Alexander County. Very good. All right, I'm not familiar with Illinois. Anyway, so the infographics window shows you the information about a feature that is not stored in the data set. However, it's geo-enrichment data that is served from ArcGIS Online. The information is presented as statistics, charts, or graphs. We're going to change the setting that the dot show a comparison to the entire state of Illinois. Alright, so we're gonna do is infographs. We're going back to infographs. Okay, and then we're going to do this age pyramids. Show data for United States, color light. Click OK. So let's see, what is the infographs? Change the settings so that the dot on the map tab. All right, we did back on map tab and activate this and click. Okay, I have to activate first. So I'm gonna deselect clear and infographs, and then I click this. There, infographs come out. All right. All right, so this is Alexander County that we're going to do. And we cannot select anything. We're going to change the settings so that the dot show a comparison for the entire state. Right, so, and then we're going to change it. United States. No, where is Illinois? Oh, right here, Illinois. Cool. All right. The dots will be Illinois, and then you can compare the Alexander for the whole entire Illinois state and see what was the situation here. Wow. Age group, a lot of old people. Now it did changes a lot. Data set. All right. We're going to click the arrow on the side of the window to navigate through the available data. Dots show comparison to the Illinois. And what percent, alright, what percent of the household have income less than $15 per year? Through the available data, we're going to see the money. All right. What other data do we have it here? Landscape. I need. Oh, this is cool. All right, right here. So now we have difference household by income for the whole Illinois. Percentage have income less than $1,500 a year. That. What percentage? Wow, that's a lot of people. 20%. Wow. 20% means one people out of 5. Wow. That's not a lot of money, and it's really sad. Well, compared to China, United States has to do something. All right. It's really sad to see this, that United States, the life quality is getting, is degrading. Alright, so